In early 1984, Yamaha shook the superbike world with a name that would later become legendary, the Yamaha Rd500 LC. This motorcycle wasn't just fast, it was a symbol of Yamaha's technical insanity during the two-stroke era. Powered by a 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke V4 engine, the RD500 was the street-going version of the GP monster, the YZR500. Its sound was razor-sharp, its power brutal, and its character untamed. This was the bike that made an entire generation in the 80s fall in love with a single word: V4. Decades have passed and the world has changed. Emissions regulations have become stricter, technology has evolved at a rapid pace. But one thing has never faded: Yamaha's racing DNA. In 2025, Yamaha reignited that mythology through a new generation V4 engine platform born from MotoGP and modern superbike development. The 2025 V4 is not nostalgia. It is the foundation of a rebirth. And in 2026, Yamaha opens an entirely new chapter. Introducing the Yamaha Rd500 V4. The RD name returns, not as a museum piece, but as a weapon for a new generation. The RD500 V4 is powered by a 500 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled DOHC V4 engine with an unconventional firing order, engineered to deliver strong, dense torque at low RPM while still erupting ferociously at high revs. The goal is clear: a signature V4 soundtrack, razor-sharp throttle response, and engine speeds that make your heart pound. This is not a tame machine. It's built for riders who want to experience race-bred excitement every single day. Its design is a fusion of past and future. Sharp, modern GP-inspired fairings are combined with classic RD retro graphics. An aggressive, boxy fuel tank, a pointed tail section, and a low riding position create a silhouette that looks like a race bike that escaped straight from pit lane. And look at the exhaust. An underslung racing exhaust with short twin outlets, designed not just for sound, but for optimal weight balance and maximum exhaust flow. Its roar isn't merely loud, it's soul-shaking. The Rd500 V4 isn't just a new motorcycle. It's Yamaha's message to the world: legends never die. They simply wait for the right moment to return, faster, sharper, and more brutal. This is the Yamaha Rd500 V4. The V4 is back. And this time it returns in a more modern, more advanced, and more aggressive form. Thank you for watching.